What's happening? Like, comment. Let me know if you guys missed that. I know I'm supposed to be eating this, but I don't have nothing in this crib. You guys can see where I'm at. Apologies for the echo. I have officially, but not officially, I'm still in the process, but I bought a new crib, a new home. This is my resting place. You guys can see the background. Delivery guys just came, dropped off the fridge. I'm waiting on a couple more packages to get delivered. Then I'll probably be heading back to the city. This right here is just pretty much a quick life update. Visionary Art Group is back in service. This is pretty much like one of my goals that I've been waiting on before I crank everything back up. Yeah, man, we back. Back shooting music videos, back shooting YouTube videos, you know, back outside. Affirmation is real. Affirmation is real. Affirmation is real. Speaking things into existence is real. The people you associate yourself with, you will become. You are a product of your environment. All of that shit is real. I'm 40 years old, and I ain't gonna say it took me this long to realize that, because when I sit back and like just analyze all the shit I've been through, you know, I can pick up on all the signs. And I ain't preaching, but I can literally pick up on all the signs that I was given to, you know, to progress with, to keep myself out of trouble, to, okay, it's time to leave this alone and start doing this. Like, I seen the signs, and you guys got to see the signs if you want to accomplish it, right? If you want to accomplish your goals, something you want to strive for, speak it into existence. Might sound cliche, but speak it into existence, right? Purge yourself. It's okay to start speaking with family, speaking with friends, associates, you know, shutting businesses down and, you know, just getting yourself right, regrouping. You know, I was doing a lot of shit. I was opening up a YouTube studio. I was working a long amount of hours. I was running 2 businesses with the wife. She doing catering on the side. I'm shooting music videos, photography, trying to do YouTube, trying to keep up with the homies. Like, man, I burnt myself out. So I just had to take a break, step back, you know, check myself before I wreck myself, and just purge everything, man. I'm talking about everything. Everything got shut down. Stopped filming, stopped doing YouTube, and just really focused on, you know, my personal stuff, you know, my mental health, my physical health, you know, spend more time with family, you know, yeah, man, I just indulge in simplistic things, man, and just purge myself, especially like social media, you know. You guys should definitely take heed to this. Don't be afraid to change, you know. When you see them signs, react on those signs. God gonna give you signs, man. You might not catch them the first time, you might not catch them the second time, but don't ignore the signs, you know. If you feel like you gotta just step away from everything, don't be scared, man, you know. You are you, you know. Your blessings aren't miracles. They are results of hard work. You put in the hard work, everything gonna come. Everything is gonna snowball, man. The homie Jay Stone, I don't know if you guys know Jay Stone. He's an artist signed to Nipsey. He said some real shit in a No Jumper interview. There's no need to hate on nobody, because God is gonna bless you how he wants to bless you. You feel me? So you sitting and watching somebody else blessing, saying, man, that should have been me. That need to be me. You ain't gonna get blessed like that. And that's the truth. In the end of all of this, you gotta just be appreciative of what you've been blessed with. Social media is really confusing everybody and just putting your minds in a crazy state. You know, so you guys go on social media, you guys see this guy with 100,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers. Don't feel bad. You know what I'm saying? Your blessing might come in another form, another shape. You feel me? But in the end, blessings are the results of hard work. Blessings aren't miracles, man. All right? So, yeah, man, this was a quick life update. Like I said, man, we're back cracking. We got the channel going. Everything is about to kick back off. I love and appreciate you guys for still liking, subscribing, commenting, even though I've been off the scene for like a year and some change. Man, that's amazing. So that lets me know I've been doing something right? And I think on that note, I'm gonna end this video.
I said, babe, you the best for what the most say. And you know you my baby for what the most say. And I be hurt when you leave me, but I be okay. Won't waste my time with another bitch, I'm like, no way. No, I won't waste time tryna get you to show that pussy on FaceTime. Want you to be in love with me, but it takes time. I committed my all, let them take mine.